Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we have something truly special for you: the Frameo 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame, which we believe is the best digital photo frame that's incredibly easy to use, and I'll tell you why. Before we dive into the details, let's take a closer look at this beauty. The Frameo 10.1-inch digital picture frame is designed to redefine how you share and display your precious memories with family and friends. Here are some key features that make this digital photo frame stand out from the rest. Setting up the Frameo is a breeze. All you need is your smartphone and the Frameo app, available on both the App Store and Google Play. No need for complicated social media accounts or email addresses. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can seamlessly send photos and videos from anywhere, ensuring your loved ones can share in your cherished moments. The Frameo boasts a stunning 10.1-inch HD 1280 by 800 IPS touchscreen. It's like having a mini gallery in your own home. Your photos will always display correctly, whether in portrait or landscape mode. It's all automatic, so no more manual adjustments. With 32 GB of memory, you'll have ample space for up to 80,000 photos. Plus, you can import images through Wi-Fi or a micro TF card. The Frameo app is completely free and supports unlimited data transmission of photos and videos. It's perfect for all occasions, from birthdays to graduations. The Frameo comes with a 1-year warranty, and their customer service is available 24/7 to ensure you have a worry-free experience. Now, let's see how easy it is to use the Frameo in real life. First, download the Frameo app from your App Store. It's quick and free. Next, add your Frameo photo frame by entering its unique ID. Once connected, you can send photos and videos instantly to the frame, whether you're across the room or across the globe. The Frameo is perfect for various occasions, like sharing baby photos, celebrating birthdays, or connecting with family across the miles. It's the ideal gift that keeps on giving. So, there you have it, folks. The Frameo 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame. The best digital photo frame that's not only easy to use, but also a fantastic way to stay connected with your loved ones through your favorite memories. If you want to bring your photos to life and share your cherished moments effortlessly, this is the digital photo frame for you. Don't miss out on this incredible device. If you're interested in getting the Frameo 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame, you can find the link in the description below. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in tech. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, keep those memories alive and keep tech savvy.